Have you ever gone to bed feeling overwhelmed or even worried about tomorrow? We all face that. But one thing I've learned, the way you speak, the way you think to yourself can make all the difference. In this video today, I'll be sharing the 5 powerful affirmations that can create your tomorrow to become the best. But before we go into that, let's first understand why affirmation works and how it can help us to overcome our challenges. Let's get started. Many of us carry stress, self-doubt, or even fear into the following day. And this creates a negative thinking that is really hard to break. Starting a day with such thoughts is like carrying a heavy backlog or a heavy backpack, holding you back to becoming your true version. And the solution to this is affirmations. What are they? These are positive statements which help us to motivate, to uplift, even to make us focus. They also set a tone to becoming our true selves. Why affirmations work? They work by challenging and replacing negative thought instead of letting fear or even self-doubt to take off your mind. They replace it with uplifting, encouraging, or even setting a tone within yourself. And I will be sharing the 5 powerful affirmations that helped me and they can brighten your day tomorrow. The first affirmation is, I'm much capable than you think I am. This reminds us of the strength we have within. It builds even the confidence, and also it shows that even when the worries are there, you are bigger than them. So whenever you speak it out, it brings the boldness out of you and it produces the exact person you would love to see into the following day. Let's say it together. I'm much capable than you think I am. Doesn't it empowering? The second affirmation is, I let go of today's worries and embrace tomorrow's opportunities. This also reminds you of how much tomorrow can produce to take off all even your worries around you. Whenever you say it, it brings you to become even more focused of being excited to reach the next day. Let's say it together. I let go of today's worries and embrace tomorrow's opportunities. Wow! And the third affirmation is, I see good in every situation. This affirmation holds a perspective effect. It changes the way you see stuff. You just know that life isn't perfect. We pass through a lot, but how you see matters. So whenever you say it or you speak it out, it brings a greatness and a positive statement or uplift within that situations. Let's say it together. I see good in every situation. As simple as that, it will uplift your situation and see the best good within it. And the fourth affirmation is, I am worthy of my value, my love, and the happiness. This brings out your true identity, that you are enough, you are worthy, you are important, you are great, you are worthy to stand in every life in this world. So it uplifts you to your best version. It brings the real you within you. So let's say it together. I am worthy of my value, my love, and my happiness. And the last affirmation, which is number 5, is, I'm very grateful for today and too excited for tomorrow. This brings out how grateful you are for everything you have passed through today, and also highlights the great and the opportunity which is coming the following day. It makes you to be live and excited to meet the following day. Let's say it together. I am grateful for today and excited for tomorrow. Very simple, but very powerful. These affirmations are very simple, but they hold so much power to shift your mind, to uplift your focus, and also create a better tomorrow. Which one resonated most with you? Leave it in the comment section. Let's discuss together. Let's empower each other and let's uplift each other. I'll be waiting. Don't forget to subscribe, like, or even share such beautiful information to a friend who is in need. But remember, every day is a fresh start. Empower yourself. Embrace yourself with such affirmations to uplift yourself and the reality of who you want to see.